Well, hey, it's Dane at JONAH Guitars, and today is the demo of the Ghost Drive. And just briefly here, you can see that I have some, relatively cheap pedals. I have these Behringer overdrive distortion, vintage delay, digital reverb. Then I have an MXR boost or micro amp here. And then I have this custom pedal that the guy made for me. And it's just a fuzz overdrive. You can dial the fuzz all the way down or the drive all the way down and use it either way. Then we have the Ghost Drive. I'm gonna play through 3 different types of pickups today. The first is the P90s that are in my main guitar here. The JONAH. I don't know, this one never got a name. It's just the up guitar, I guess, because when you turn my initials over on the inlay, it says up instead of DM. Alright, so this is just a clean. I guess I should have I'll cut this, should have tuned the thing to make sure. So I've been trying to come up with some kind of riff to play. I'm not really very good at that sort of thing, inventing riffs. And this is definitely loud. I've got it turned down quite a bit. Oh, I have a 5-watt Epiphone, the Valve Junior stack, actually is what's going on here. It's the 5-watt tube amp with the cabinet that came with this. This is a 12-inch Celestion of some sort, or Eminence, excuse me. I'm not really too concerned about what else is on the board, except I'm going to add a little bit of reverb. And so you can use this pedal as just a boost pedal if you wind the gain all the way down. Bring this around. There's lots of different levels. Well, let's just go to the dirtiest here and show you that it doesn't, it gets kind of ratty. But it's definitely not unusable. Not something I'd use because I had to check to see how loud this was. I already have this going on the board here, and that's about where I have it set as a rule. This fuzz drive. And like I said, it can be drive only, fuzz only, or a combination. Right now it's drive only. I don't have any fuzz in that. All right, so with just the reverb. Actually like it. Right now, this is a pretty clean amp tone. Not super clean, it's pretty clean. But I'm kind of using this pedal as my clean tone period. The last couple times I played it. Which obviously isn't super clean, but it kind of gives me a little bit of cut. There for you guys that need closure. Go to the E. All right, so that's just too gnarly for mostly what I want to do. And if I want to get gnarly, I will stack some stuff. So just having said all that, we're about there now. This output you can see is barely, it comes in pretty quick. And of course if I roll it around, it's way louder than I want it to be in my room here. My room. I don't know what all you can see in the camera actually. This is the dining room table. And my wife has a puzzle going on right there. And yeah, this is where we live. So I am going to change this out to a different kind of pickup. Here's old number one. Not sure how much of this you're seeing in the camera actually. This is the EMG passive in here. I forget what the gold letters. They've got them in gold and they've got them in silver. So passive. It's about what magnets in there. I do not remember. This was no adjustment to volume on the amp, so it seems like it's a tad louder. Clean with nothing on it right now. Sounds pretty good actually. All right. So on that setting, I think it just sounds great. I don't have the need to go any hotter than that, just so you have an idea. Right there. Oh, I want to talk about the treble before you forget about it. Let's pull it all the way down here. Now the last thing I'm going to bring up here is this Strat, so it'll be single coily. So the knobs are set at about 7 to begin with, so there's about 10, 11, 12, 9.5, 12 o'clock. I've been running at about 1. You know, with this pickup, I'm pretty good with noon on this pickup actually. Change keys on you. When you need him. All right, I'm going to go ahead and swap this out to the single coils. All right, so here we are, wide open. Oh, I guess I should. Well, The first guitar, I think I only played at the P90 guitar. I only played in the middle position. I didn't think about it, and then this is in the middle position here. The Telly only has one position, other than a coil split. All right, so quite a bit quieter. I like that. That Stratty sound a lot. Let's go on to the neck pickup here. Tones are wide open. We're on the neck pickup. Okay, so this is about our. This is what we got. Let's see what it does. Needs a little more drive. Let's see what it sounds like wide open here with the neck pickup. Cut it down to 3 o'clock. Let's drive back down here to about 1, let's say 2 o'clock. I think with these single coils. Let's just put it in the middle here. And bridge. Sorry, I forgot to do that on the other ones. I'm not backing up though. Okay, well, let's do that and roll a little tone off of that bridge. Losing it. All right, so anyway, back up here to the neck. So many signature little riffs that work so well with Strat and with the others as well that I can't play. Copyright reasons. I can't play them well anyway, but. So that's it. That's the Ghost Drive. Okay, folks, that's it. The Ghost Drive at different varying settings and also through varying guitars, single coils, humbucker, and also P90s. One thing I just remembered, and this may or may not be the best guitar for this, but the treble on this thing goes from like here, let's just definitely made a difference on the single coils. The P90, initially when I did this, I didn't get a lot of response. imagine that on the humbucker I would have gotten some response to. It was slight. I got a definite difference on the P90s, but it just wasn't as much. I think it's sitting right about where they recommend, actually, treble-wise. I've seen a couple different people demo these. I don't think the output is as low, or as the output's higher on the other demos that I've seen, but I can't play at those volumes in here. It scares me. And so anyway, that's it. Ghost Drive. I'm very happy with this pedal, and I hope you, if you have some soldering skills and you're a player and you want to up the ante on your pedal board, I would definitely go with this unit. It's a good one. Yeah. Hey, Dane at JONAH Guitars, thanks a lot. I do also now have a Spring Tee account where you can buy a JONAH Guitars t-shirt, and I don't know if I can get it in the camera or not, but we'll do that real quick and see. JONAH Guitars. I hope you can see that and not just my big ugly face. All right, you can go to that website and you can order these in various colors, and you can also order a sticker if you'd like. And I appreciate that if you do. Thank you for that support.